Can you believe this entire video was generated by AI? So all of these motion graphics, all of these animations, every single thing was generated by AI. All you have to do is just give a simple prompt and this AI tool will generate high quality motion graphics for your video. The most tiring thing for me as a creator is creating high quality motion graphics and high quality animations for my YouTube videos. And I was desperately looking for an AI tool that I can use to create this kind of high quality motion graphics, that too in just few seconds by simply just giving simple prompts. So there is a tool, it's called Hera, and this is probably world's first AI motion designer tool. This tool is backed by Y Combinator. If you don't know about Y Combinator, it's a Silicon Valley based VC firm. Sam Altman was part of Y Combinator as well. So this is how this tool works. You just explain your idea in your plain simple words and then you just press enter, and then this tool will create a very high quality motion graphic video, something like this. You can see this is a proper high quality motion graphics for your video. Now you can simply just download it and then use it inside your video editing tool. So I'm going to create an example project for this video. I'm going to create a documentary. I created script of that documentary inside ChatGPT, and now I'm going to create motion graphics for that documentary. So before we dive deep and create this documentary, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well. Alright, so first of all, to start using this tool, you can just click on the link in description, and if you want to upgrade to any of the pro plans, if you just click on the link in description, it will give you 15% off. There is a discount code as well. You can just use that discount code. So inside ChatGPT, I just gave it this prompt. I'm creating a YouTube documentary about impact of AI on unemployment in first world countries. So this is the main topic of this documentary, and also I mentioned that I'm going to use an AI tool, Hera.video, to create motion graphics for this video. I want you to create detailed prompts for each scene to create motion graphics for that particular scene. So first let's create a script, and then based on that script let's create detailed prompts for motion graphics. So what it did, first it created this documentary script, and this script is around 10 to 12 minutes long from a documentary, and also it has created these different scenes. And now after that, based on these different scenes, it created detailed prompt for each of these scenes. Let's suppose the first prompt is cinematic intro with futuristic city skyline at night, glowing AI circuit overlaying the buildings. So it's a very detailed prompt for that first scene. This is the exact prompt that I'm going to copy from here. Then I'm going to paste that in Hera.video, and Hera will create high quality motion graphics for my. So let's suppose if I just choose this prompt, which is for scene 4. So this is a 3D rotating globe highlighting US, UK, Germany and Japan with glowing outline. So I'll just copy this prompt from here. I'll just go back to Hera, then I click on start creating. Now I can choose if I want to create this documentary in widescreen or in vertical or in square or in portrait. You can just choose any of the resolution based on your requirements. After that, you can also create brand styles as well. So let's suppose if you want to create documentaries in a certain style, you have a certain branding style, you can just provide that to Hera, and then Hera will create all of these motion graphics based on that style. So you can either choose default Hera style, or you can just like go with no brand style, or you can even create your own style as well. You can also import audio. This could be your voiceover or maybe your music for the video. So in our case, I'm not going to import anything. I'm just going to use this prompt, and then after that I can maybe click on this enhance button to enhance this prompt. And then after that, now my prompt is enhanced. I can simply just click on this send button, and now it will start creating the motion graphics for my video. It can take few seconds based on the details in your video. So we're going to wait until it will create this video. Okay, so after a few seconds, now it has just finished creating this video, and this is what it has created. This is cool. This is amazing. Look at the animations and the way all of these different elements are appearing. So yeah, with a voiceover and some music, this could be just like really high quality documentary. Now you can even move any of these elements from here. You can just like change their location, and you can just like totally customize it the way you want. And once you have customized it, you can then simply just click on this export button, and then after that you can just export this video. You can choose any of the resolutions. You can even export your video up to 4K. You can also choose any of these formats. Maybe you can export this video in MP4 or MOV or maybe GIF or WebM, but mostly we export in MP4 format. Also you can export in 60 FPS, which is amazing. Now once your video is exported, then you can just simply download your video, and then you can just import this video in any of your video editing softwares. Now let's try creating another video for our documentary. So I'll simply just copy this prompt for this particular scene. I'll just go back to Hera.video. I'll just paste that, and then I can simply just press enter, and now let's just wait for it to finish. So this is what it has created. It looks cool. It has this job automation risk in here as a title. It has these other elements as well. So yeah, overall it looks really nice. So yeah, this tool is a super helpful. If you are a content creator or a YouTuber, you definitely can use this tool and save so much time in creating motion graphics manually. So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.